everyone, my name is Joy, J-O-Y. And you know me, right? Okay. You're reading a book about this. Maybe you should have a reading figure that pointed. Amazing Airplanes by Tony Madden. Oh, that's not from Wyatt. Institute. Okay, I know. And that's from maybe there, and it just poured and it became Eden Sulhak, maybe Eden Math, Eden Sulhak, like that. Okay, we're not doing about that. We are reading about airplanes. Let's start. Amazing Airplanes by Tony Madden, and they're illustrated by Ann Parker. My school was Parker, and I was Wilson, then Hayden, and Milliken. Let's start. Oh, I don't want something ever. It's just a tiny bubble. Shit to you like that. Just kidding. Let's start. Airplane is amazing, for it travels through the sky, above the clouds for miles and miles, so very fast and high. Whoosh! Like that. Did you saw my hand? This is an airplane, okay? Oh. This is the airplane. Oh, it's too small. Just kidding. Can you pick up your reading figure on the book and do like this? And then this is your airplane and do like this. But I will do like this, kids. Okay, you do this, okay? 1, 2, 3, swoosh! Swoosh! Again, let's do it. Swoosh! Good job. Next. An airport is the place you go to take a trip by car. DD, SB, FR, flight, F262H, flight, AP770, flight cancelled. You know what? Gate 7, Fragile, fuel, FR, airport shop. The ground crew waits Hey. Okay, must just the kids running around outside. Okay, I'm going to read again. The ground crew waits your luggage and loads it in the hold. And then you take the walkway to the plane when you are told. Next. Clear for takeoff. They're going. That's an airplane like that. And landed on the island. Long island, of course. I went to Japan with this airplane named Korean and another airplane, but I don't know the name, but it is Vietnam. I went to Vietnam and Japan only. The flight decks where the captain and co-pilots do their jobs. They both know how to fly the plane with all its tails and knobs. They radio control tower to check the runway's clear. They can't take off unless it is with other planes so near. Next. Hello, this is your captain speaking. Hello, this is your captain speaking. 3. By intercom, the captain on the flight deck says hello. You have to put your seatbelt on before the plane can go. Right, everyone? Yes, we could. We sure not could. Remember, here is the road light. This is the airplane and it goes pew, pew, like this. A plane is big and heavy, yet it climbs up really high. It zooms along the runway and soars into the sky. Can you see the sea over here? And the beach? Because beach is too small to see here, but when you see real beach, it's very big, like, phew. It's bigger than your apartment, I think. I'm okay. That's not important. The big is important. Just kidding. Its wings hold big jet engines, which are loud and very strong. They suck in air and blow it through to whoosh them. The plane goes alone. Whoosh! When the plane moves fast enough, the air around so swift, it pushes up beneath the wings and makes the whole plane lift. Soon the plane is in the air, so now you're on your flight. The cabin crew look after you and make sure you're all right. They bring you drinks and magazines and trays of food to eat. And sometimes there's a movie you can watch while you're in your stay. Sometimes I watch, but sometimes I don't watch. I do watch. Yeah, I do watch. And I sometimes eat drink, but not at all. I just drink and water. And I get them food and see TV and sleep and it's comfortable. And I drink drinks. Just, okay, next. He is sleeping like me. I always sleep in the airplane. So this is all I can. Sorry. Not sorry. What did you see? What did you see? Okay, nothing. What's this? It looks like the juice. Someone wants juice. Next. When the journey is over, the captain lands the plane. Control tower has to say it's safe for coming down again. You sit with seatbelts fastened. There's a bumpy, rumpy sound. The wheels are making contact, and the plane is on the ground. Yeah, everybody can see, but sometimes you couldn't. Bumpy rump! Next, airport shop. There is a car and airplane landed and the stairs and two workers in the airplane and going home. Ooh, maybe they're home here. No, maybe not. Maybe not. Maybe yes. Maybe not. I don't know. Maybe some work. Maybe police. Police are going a trip to here. That's interesting. At last, the doors are opening. Then out you come with smiles. So give a cheer. Oh. Hooray! You're here. You have flown for miles and miles. Next. Oh, not next. The end. Can you see here? Our is this one. Amazing airplane. There is busy boats, cool cars, dazzling gators, flashing fire engines, luring rockets, shivering submarines, perfect trains, road car, tremendous tractor. But I read this before, but this is in my home and I love this. Can you see? Flashing the engines, fire engines, sorry. I was glad that I read with you. And I wish I could read with you next time too. Bye bye. Bye. Okay, wait.